Hello everybody, it's me Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my channel. So anyway, today we're gonna drive barefoot driving since a lot of you wants to see me driving barefoot. So we're gonna drive barefoot driving on the way home. Hi everybody, so today we have to take off this sandal that I'm wearing now. We're gonna drive barefoot driving. This is the new one. We're gonna unbox this later. I have to unbox this one. Now I have to show you what I bought today in the SM. So let's start the car. We're gonna drive barefoot driving today. Hi everybody, so today is a barefoot driving on the way home. So seatbelt. So I have my touring now. So those who are requesting the video. Well, just of you who wants to watch the ring. So I have it now. So foot brake, drive, blinker left, and let's go drive. So you can really see my veins because I drive far from Bacolod City. It's about 1 hour, and then now I have to make driving videos for you guys. So barefoot driving, and also driving. We are descending this time. Lower gear. I was in the SM mall today, so I bought a tripod, new tripod. It's only 1,000 pesos. And then also shoes. I have shoes, and that's all I do today there. And looking for a watch because I was planning to buy a new watch. Planning to buy. My sponsor wants to buy me a watch. No. And then also jewelry there. I was just checking out what they have. So that's all I do today. And now on the way home, we're early. Well, I'm early compared to when I go drive in the city, San Carlos. So if you want to watch a longer videos, just go to the join button. Just click the join button in my channel, and if you like or enjoyed my videos, you can also click the super thanks in my channel. So there you can also donate any amount. To buy malihaw ko, tagpili mong batong. Batong lang. Usa, di ato ko mo irog ko gamay ha. So I have to stop to buy BT. Nice na kay fresh ba? Fresh ni. Oh, very small, but that's fine. I thought it's more. It's only like 5 pesos. My God, everything is expensive this time. So that's the reason, like, okay, if you want to donate, because I have to go out for driving videos, I have to use more gas. And if you are requesting for a drive, oftentimes, then you can donate for that. And I can buy gasoline. Especially with barefoot driving. Now it's fine. I'm just kidding. If you want to help or donate, then you can just go to my description. You can check out there my PayPal account. And I would like to give a shout out to one of my followers who are really supporting for my gasoline, my salon, my shoes, everything. So thank you so much. I would like to say thanks to him. So that makes me inspired more to do more driving videos, and that's why I keep on uploading for driving. So without him, I will not do it. Only if I want it, that's all. But he's supporting for my channel, to grow my channel and everything, and also to my viewers, new subscribers, my subscribers and my members. I thank you so much for loving my videos and of course supporting my channel. Not just for one, but for all of you there who are still watching my videos. Hello everybody, Asawang Filipina here. So I drive from Bacolod City. I drove.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.